Modern people pursue refined skincare. Even washing the face has become an art. Besides various facial cleansers and skincare products, facial cleansing devices, known as face-washing gadgets, have also gained widespread attention. It is said that facial cleansing devices can deeply cleanse the skin and purify pores. They are also claimed to brighten the complexion, reduce acne, shrink pores, and smooth wrinkles, as well as lift and firm the skin. Facial cleansing devices are not only endorsed by celebrities and influencers, but can also be found in cosmetic sections of shopping malls. The question is, are these so-called face-washing gadgets really as magical as advertised? What is the actual principle behind them? In reality, the so-called face-washing gadgets mainly serve a cleansing function. Currently, most facial cleansing devices on the market fall into two categories: sonic vibration and rotating brush heads. Both utilize physical kinetic energy by using ultra-fine bristles that rotate at high speed to cleanse the skin. This helps dislodge superficial open condones. The primary function of these cleansing devices is simply to clean. Simply put, facial cleansing devices work by physically exfoliating the skin. In layman's terms, they remove the outermost layer of dead skin cells. When too much dead skin accumulates on the face, it can hinder skin metabolism, potentially leading to dullness and acne. In such cases, facial cleansing devices can help remove dirt and old keratin, making the skin appear cleaner and more radiant. This explains why some people feel their skin instantly improves after using a facial cleansing device for the first time. As for the claims in advertisements about reducing fine lines and shrinking pores, facial cleansing devices clearly cannot stimulate collagen production, and thus cannot reduce fine lines. To effectively minimize pores, treatments like chemical peels with fruit acids or fractional laser procedures are more effective. Moreover, the stratum corneum acts as the skin's barrier, protecting it from external irritants. Its normal renewal cycle is about 28 days. If a facial cleansing device is used too frequently, old skin cells are removed before new ones can form, leaving the skin exposed to external irritants. This essentially leaves the skin running naked against all kinds of external aggressors. Ultimately, for most people, using a facial cleanser is sufficient. For those who wear makeup, using makeup removers and facial cleansers is enough to thoroughly cleanse the skin. Facial cleansing devices should ideally be used only once a month. When used correctly, facial cleansing devices can effectively clean the skin, but it is crucial to control the frequency of use to avoid unnecessary damage to the skin. However, be mindful of the cleaning frequency. Avoid causing unnecessary damage to the skin.